Hello, this is our V1000 Skid Steer Loader, featuring a hydraulic quick couple assembly, low pressure and low flow protection tools. The 2300 cm wide tracks offer good traction, with double track guide wheels for balanced load distribution. Then for working model from Yanmar, it has a lift ring on each side. The hydraulic cylinders have protective covers, and the quick cover enables fast attachment chains. The engine covers opens easily, and the side panels are quick to remove for maintenance. It is powered by Kubota engine, and the hydraulic oil tank has a brake wheel and a level gauge. It uses a dual piston and gear pump system with an Italian PWG hydraulic oil filter. The machine will not operate without pressing the foot pedal, and a safety lock controls operation. The pedal edges are rounded to prevent damage. The combination of rubber dumping guard tensioning pedals and a round edge tackling is designed to delivers a more comfortable, safe, efficient operating experience and an easily removable control console for cleaning. Limit wheels keep the left and right arms synchronized. The long handle includes a horn, attachment controls and multifunction buttons. The driver panels has a touch screen, USB port secret letter, and switches. The 1020mm long tracks provide ample ground contact area.